What's going on YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you 5 different things that you can do with your wood pellet ash. I did a lot of research on this and it looks to me like wood pellet ash is a good source of lime and potassium. Wood pellet ash will be real good to raise the pH levels in your soil. I'm going to show you 5 different things that people will use this wood pellet ash for. It's really easy to do some research just on the web. Just type in what can I do with my wood pellet ash. So first let me get my ashes out. But you'll see what my neighbor uses it for. So if you don't know what your pH level is in your soil, you can actually buy test kits at a hardware store that you could test your pH level in your soil. You could use your pellet stove ash for in your lawns. A lot of people say to make their grass look greener. But like I said, just maybe you might want to test your pH levels. And a lot of people also say it's good for your flowers. You could sprinkle a little bit in your flowers. They say it makes their flowers grow bigger and you have more vibrant colors. So just spread it on your flowers. See all my flowers? Millie, or Piper, what's up, girl? With all the research I did, they say it's good for plants that like alkaline, like tomato plants. And if you look that up online, you can find a lot of plants that like a higher alkaline or a higher pH level. So you may be able to use it in your garden. You may be able to use your pellet stove ash for in your compost piles. They say it helps break down everything in your compost pile. All right, and the last thing you could use your pellet stove ash for is for a chicken coop. I'm down at my buddy's chicken coop. From what I'm reading online, you can mix your pellet stove ash and some peat moss, and your chickens like to use it for a dust bath. So we're gonna just put this right here. Make sure you don't put it there when it's hot. Your chickens may not like the dust bath if it's too hot. And then I'm going to get some peat moss and mix up with that. This is supposed to help keep all the mites down on the chickens. What do you think, chickens? You like this? Alright, like I said, do some research online about all these different places. I don't want you to put too much and raise the pH level too much on your grass or your flowers or your garden. So don't blame it on me. I'm not a professional. Right, girls? You guys are girls, right? Guys are girls. You girls are girls, right? Come here. I'm not scared of you. You're just a bird. There you go. My buddy said these are Rhode Island Reds. What's up? All right, well, I hope this video helped you out. Please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Share this with somebody else that you think this would help out. And please leave me a comment down below if there's something else out there that you use your pellet stove ash for. God bless and have a great day. What do you think? Are you going to like that for a dust bath? You want some of this lettuce or whatever this stuff is here? Looks like he just cleaned this chicken coop out a little bit, I hope. So I don't have chicken crap on my feet. You can't eat that stuff. You dust bath in it. Chickens are morons.